Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add a location on Google Map. So without further ado, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm here on my Google Map. So if you want to add a place on your map, you can click on this one, this contribute, and then select this add place. Now you can name your place and then choose a category. You have different options in there, and you can just simply put the address, or you can manually pinpoint the location of your place that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna put it right here, and just like that. And if you're done, just click on submit button. Now, if you have a business, for example, and if you want to add it on your map, just simply click this add your business and continue with the application, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.